Hey there, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about the slang term Venmo. What is Venmo? Venmo is a mobile payment app that allows you to send and receive money from friends and family. It's a really popular app, especially among young people. But what does it mean when someone says Venmo me? Well, it simply means that they want you to send them money through the Venmo app. How do you use Venmo? Using Venmo is really easy. All you need to do is download the app and create an account. Then, you can add your bank account or debit card to your Venmo account. Once you've done that, you can send money to friends and family by entering their phone number or email address. You can also request money from someone by sending them a request. What are some of the slang terms that are associated with Venmo? There are a few slang terms that are associated with Venmo. Here are a few of the most common ones. Venmo me, this means that the person wants you to send them money through Venmo. Vmo, this is a shortened version of Venmo. Venmo request, this means that the person has sent you a request for money through Venmo. Venmoed, this means that you have sent someone money through Venmo. What are some of the benefits of using Venmo? There are a few benefits to using Venmo. Here are a few of the most notable ones. It's easy to use. It's free to use. It's secure. It's available on both iOS and Android devices. What are some of the drawbacks of using Venmo? There are also a few drawbacks to using Venmo. Here are a few of the most notable ones. You can only send and receive money from friends and family. You can't use Venmo to pay for bills or make purchases at stores. There are fees associated with sending money to businesses or charities. Overall, Venmo is a great app for sending and receiving money from friends and family. It's easy to use, free, and secure. However, it's important to be aware of the drawbacks before you start using it. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.